Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about a pressing issue that affects not just our country but the entire world, the problem of single-use plastics and plastic waste management. India is a beautiful country, and it's our responsibility to protect its beauty. But our excessive use of single-use plastics is causing harm to our environment and health. Single-use plastics, like straws, bags, and bottles, take hundreds of years to decompose. They end up in our oceans, harming marine life and polluting our waterways. Plastic pollution affects the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the animals we share this planet with. But here's the good news. We can make a difference. We can start by reducing our use of single-use plastics. Instead of plastic bags, we can carry reusable cloth bags. We can use metal or glass bottles instead of disposable plastic ones. By making these small changes, we can help reduce the plastic waste that ends up in our landfills and oceans. As students, you have the power to create change. You can influence your friends, family, and community to be more mindful of their plastic use. Let's join hands to phase out single-use plastics and manage plastic waste responsibly. Not just in India but for the sake of our beautiful planet. In conclusion, it's time for us to take responsibility for our actions and work towards a plastic-free future. Together, we can make a significant impact and leave a healthier planet for future generations.